Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today's video, I will be going over how to set up your Flipgrid account and how to post your first Flipgrid assignment. All right, let's get started. In order to post your first Flipgrid assignment, you're going to need to be at flipgrid.com. It is completely free to teachers. When you go to this website, you're going to click on the educator sign up. You're going to click on that. And it's going to ask you how you want to sign up. So I am going to choose sign up with Google, which I recommend because it ties it directly to your account. If you're going to use this for work, for school, then you may want to choose your school account, or you can choose to use your personal account. So I'm going to choose my personal account. And it's going to ask you to do a basic information about you. You're doing this for your work. I would suggest an organization or technology instructional coach. It's going to ask you for your birthday. This dialog will simply tell you welcome to Flipgrid, and it will tell you how to create your first topic. Then you're into your Flipgrid account. If you want to start your first topic, you are going to select add a topic. It'll get you to your dialog box to get started. Select get started. And then you're going to name your topic for the discussion. When you're creating your topic, you can also add a prompt for your students. So there's my prompt. How will you use Flipgrid in school? The neat thing about this is that you can record anywhere between 15 seconds all the way up to 10 minutes. However long you want your students to record for, you will need to select manually. It is default at 1.5 minutes. You can choose what captions you want. So if you are teaching a language course, then you can choose the language captions that you want. You can leave this in English as well. A video moderation, you select it to and turn it on, then you will need to watch every video before it can actually be shared with the rest of the class. So I'm going to leave this off for the sake of this video. I want to show my students how to answer the prompt, so I will record a small recording of me modeling how I want my students to respond, and that way your students know how you want to see their responses. It gives you some options for your video here. So here you can upload a clip, you can mirror the video, you can mute your audio, or you can record your screen as well. So your entire screen will be there. It also gives you the option for effects. Here you have some filters. So for those students that like filters, you can have different colors. For your students that are a little bit shy behind the camera, then you also have the blurriness, and you have two options of these, where once it's like Legos, the other ones is just kind of pixelated. You can also go black and white. It also gives you different frames. So if you want to frame your video, it gives the students some basic effects there. You also get the option of having some emoji, so you can add an emoji. So if you don't want to show your face, or you're asking them to give you a specific emoji in response to something, you can do that as well. You have emojis, you have people, you have accessories, reactions, magical characters, and sign language. So I am going to choose this one right here as a character. So I'm gonna enlarge that, and basically that is going to replace my face when I am speaking. You can also add text, and it gives you a short variety of writing here. It also gives you the ability to draw on your video. So if you want your students to draw, or your students want to draw something, they can draw as well. You can have a different background. So let's say I want to make this into a paper. I can choose that as well. Or you can also choose a picture and upload it from your computer, then simply hit back to go back to the menu. So that is how you would add special effects or different options to the video. All right, and then you would hit the record button, counts you down, and you start recording. Once you are satisfied with your recording, then you're going to simply click the pause button, and then you are going to hit next. and you start recording. Once you are satisfied with your recording, then you are going to simply click the pause and you start recording. It will play your audio recording on a loop. You can cut anywhere you want by just moving the blue bars at either end. When you are finished editing your video, you simply hit the confirm button and you start recording. Once you are set, it will replay the audio again just to make sure that you have what you want. You can add more by simply hitting the add more camera button. But if you're satisfied with your recording, you simply select next. Once you select next, it will take you to this dialog box called selfie. And basically here it will ask you to snap a picture to go along with your video response. So this is basically like a video cover of your recording. So you are going to select this. I am shy, so I'm going to cover my face. Once I am ready, then I am simply going to hit next. It will be uploading my video. Once it is done uploading my video, you're gonna select complete. Now that we are done with that, you want to scroll down and go to access control. And here you're going to type in the email domains that you want your students to be able to use. If I want this to be private, or have students enter a password because this may be a test or a quiz that I'm using Flipgrid for, then I would enter student password or guest password. This is optional. Otherwise, I will just leave it blank. Once I am done with choosing all of my options, I will select create topic. It will give me a copy code to share with my students, and you can see here that you can share a QR code. You can embed the code into a website. You can share it on Microsoft Teams. You can push it to Google Classroom, or you can also share it on Remind. These are the applications that it's compatible with, and you would just simply select one of these. And you're going to select all set. And here will appear your topic to your first assignment. So it will give you the name of the topic, it will give you the prompt, it will give you a join code, and then it will give you the video. Now here it gives you the options to go back and edit. Let's say that you know what, you want to change your video. You can go back and edit your topic, and it will just take you back to that. Once you're done, you simply update the topic and it will take you back to this page. It gives you the options of several additional actions. You can record a different response yourself. You can add discovery, you can hide a topic, you can add this to a particular group or what we would know as classes. You can duplicate the topic, you can download the captions, you can edit your caption if something didn't translate correctly. You can export data, or you can delete the topic altogether. That is how you create your first topic in Flipgrid. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I put out another video for you to watch. Thank you so much.